is Jessie. I'm from the Sephora squad, and I'm super excited today because I am wrapping gifts from home, and I thought it was a great idea just to show you my must-have holiday gifts that you can give to anyone, either a friend or family member or your loved one. So if you have any questions or if you were in a roadblock and you didn't know what to gift, here are my favorites. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with something everyone can benefit from, and it is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And the reason why I love it so much is because it's gonna be amazing for under eyes, for giving you that brightness. It's super creamy, it's super hydrating. It has that vitamin E, which is gonna help you like get that nice plushness under the eyes. And it's also what I'm wearing too. But I feel like it just gets to blend like butter into the skin. Like it doesn't show, it doesn't crease. It just looks super natural, it brightens up. The good thing about it too is that if you want to get more than one shade, if you're the type of person that likes adding a little bit of concealer and then adding a little bit of highlight, they do come in travel size. And at least what I do is get my shade that is a little bit lighter than my skin as a full size, and then the highlighting shade as a travel size, and it works wonders. So if you have someone that you know that they want to get something to give their skin a little bit pick me up, especially when wearing a mask, give them a little Nars concealer because it's the best thing ever. Super luscious, super creamy, and I love it. So this is gonna be for those people in your life that are always active, their agenda is fully booked, they never have time for themselves, and if they do is to do something quick, they're always on the move. This is gonna be one of the best options. It's a dry shampoo from WHEY. It's called Super Dry Shampoo. It's one of my favorites. The reason why I love it is because it's gonna have the volcanic minerals, which is gonna help you deep cleanse the scalp. It also has rice starch, which is gonna help you absorb the oil. Now, I'm gonna just spritz it so you can see it. It has a nice potent spritz. The way that I apply it is by dividing the hair little by little and then just going and adding a little line. Divide it and a little line. I always do the bottom too as well. It gives me a nice volume. Now when you apply this one, you're gonna let it sit for a little bit and then you're gonna work it with your fingers. Another thing that I love is the fragrance. This smells beautiful, beautiful. I feel like not only it gives you that nice, effortless, clean hair, it's like a little cheat day in there, but it also gives you that nice fragrance. So I would say give this a try. Gift it. It also comes in a smaller size if you ever are looking for something like this and you want to try, but this is something you should have in your purse, or this is something you should have in your vanity, just because when you're constantly on the move, you need something that moves as quick as you do, and this is it. Do you know someone who is constantly battling with their dryness, or someone that gets to be saying that they don't feel hydrated enough, or that they need a little refresher during the day, or that they just need to spritz something to feel a little better? Well, I know plenty of people like that, and I have hooked a lot of people up with this product because it's one of my favorites. And this is the Youth to the People Adaptogen Soup and Hydrate Activated Mist. The reason why I love this one right here, I'm gonna spritz it all over my skin. You can put it as a skin prep, you can put it over makeup, you can just use it to refresh your skin. It feels so good. The magical ingredients are reishi, which is gonna be mushroom, same with ashwagandha. They're both gonna be like adaptogens that are gonna help you replenish the skin, combat any stress that you might have on your skin, or any redness or any sensitivities. It also has hyaluronic acid, and it also has a peptide complex, which is gonna help you fight visible or premature signs of aging. So if you want something that will give you a little extra, both over your makeup or before your skincare prep, this is the way to go, just because it's gonna make you feel extra luscious and extra hydrated. And well, you know I love Youth to the People. I'm always gonna preach Youth to the People. So this is one of the products that I feel not everyone knows about and they're sleeping on it, and I need to wake you up. Do you have anybody on your gift list that just loves being extra? Like they're just always on top of trends, or they always like looking very soft and luscious and effortless, and their skin just looks like a filter. They're just perfect all the time. Well, I got the perfect gift for them too, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and the reason why I love this powder is because it has light reflecting pearls. Yes, you heard right, light reflecting pearls. This is gonna be a powder. It comes in different tones, and what this does It's gonna be amazing to like set under eye or just do a little like dust all over the face, but this is just gonna soften the look of pores, soften the look of lines. It's just gonna get to give you that soft airbrush look to the skin. Every time I see someone with amazing skin and I ask them like, oh my god, what did you use on your makeup? And they're always saying, oh, it's Charlotte Tilbury, it's her powder. And I'm just like, of course I need to try it. And when I did try it, my skin has never been the same. But it's because it is so nice. It's very hydrating. It also has sweet almond oil, so it's gonna get to give you that extra hydration under the eyes. But it is a dream come true in a compact. So if you have that type of people in your life, this is what you need to give them. Don't hold back. They're bomb. They come in different shades. They come for everyone. So give it a try. Now, I know I started talking about gifting for everyone. This is also another gift for everyone. And I feel like in my world, in my mind, everybody deserves their perfect shade of red. It is a very confident shade to wear. It is beautiful. If you find the one that flatters your skin tone, honey, you're gonna be unstoppable. My favorite formulation, or one of my favorites, because I have a lot that I love, it's the Hourglass. This is going to be the Slim Confessions High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. And the reason why I love it is because, just like the name, it's a refillable lipstick. So when you see it, it's a nice, luxurious, beautiful packaging. Almost like one of those old school packagings that have a little bit of a winged, effortless tip. Sorry. One of those, what's the name of it? Would you like to buy a bowl? It has a nice taper luxe feeling to it. It's very creamy, has a nice satin look. It's the one that I'm actually wearing right now. What I love is that you can get to actually pull out the lipstick part of it. And then if you had another color that you would just like to buy, you can just buy the refill and then put it in here. It's cost effective. It just gets to save you a lot of like waste and packaging and everything in between. You can just get to reuse this as many times you want, and it's super durable. But again, everybody needs a red lipstick. We can even help you out to find your perfect shade. If you can, please do it, because you'll be taking over the world pretty soon. With this confidence and with a nice, beautiful red lip shade, nothing can stop you. Not even 2020. So give it a try. I hope you did enjoy this video, and well, I also hope that you find all the gifts that you're looking for, and you also find one for yourself, because you cannot forget about yourself. You gotta treat yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later, and don't forget to subscribe to Sephora, since a lot of videos like this are coming. And well, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. You will keep on learning with us. Big kisses, my love. Bye. Okay. Okay. Watch me struggle.